Hey friends, let's make a super cute craft here. This is the board that was on the back of the frame that we used the other night to make the snowman cutting board. This is Waverly White. I was putting on Dixie Belle White, and then I realized that the transfers do not stick to the Dixie Belle very well. It kind of pulls up the paint. So I decided to start with Waverly. We're going to do it front and back. And y'all, my cord is going to get in the way here in a minute. Please forgive me. I kind of lifted up the phone holder a little higher, and it put the cord right in front of it. I didn't realize it, y'all. So please just bear with me. You guys will see it. I will move it towards the end and you'll be able to see. Okay, we're going to add a transfer. Let's dig right here. And I decided I like the deer transfer. So we're going to take it and add it to this little board. It fit like a glove. And it comes off so nicely. You guys, I would tell you to go get these at Decoupage Central, but they are out. But you can find them at rustyscrapix.com. I'm going to touch up some white paint there. And then I'm going to go around the whole entire perimeter with some jute rope. I took that around it, y'all. I didn't like it. And as you can see, the cord got in my way. I didn't realize it did that, or I would have moved it. Oh, I'm sorry, we're going to add some greens before we put the jute rope around it. I do several different types of greens usually because it gives it a variance of color and it makes it look more lifelike. You can kind of see how those greens go so well together, all the different colors. I love that. It gives it the nature look, I think. And this velvet ribbon, you guys, comes from Hobby Lobby. I have about every color in it. I love this. This is kind of a butterscotch color. Okay, and then I want to put something in the center of the bow, so I decided on one of the Rusty Bells. I think that works. The colors work with the deer so well. And then we're going to go around this in jute rope all the way around the outside of it. I think this just kind of adds a rustic element to this that makes it all kind of come together. I really, really like this. See, it just brings all those colors together. I think it looks amazing. We did a jute rope hanger, and then we're going to add some glitter, you guys. This is a glitter that it's called Spectra something or other. But it really reminds you of diamond dust. I mean, it sparkles kind of like diamond dust. But the thing is if it falls off, it's not going to cut you. It's not going to cut any birds or anything like that. So I really do like this a lot. And I think it really makes it have that Christmas look to it. It kind of sparkles. Here's your final picture. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you have a great day.